Folding a microfiber cloth into fours gives you 4 clean surfaces to use before washing and helps maintain even wear across the cloth. When you fold a microfiber cloth into fours, start by laying it flat and smoothing out any creases so fibers align for maximum pickup. Fold it in half lengthwise, press lightly to keep edges together, then fold in half again widthwise so the pile faces outward on all 4 sections. This configuration exposes a fresh surface each time you rotate. Use one quadrant for dusting, rotate to the next quadrant for wiping fingerprints, then flip to the third for cleaning spills, and open the cloth to use the inner surfaces if heavy soil demands it. For streak-free glasswork, keep the cloth slightly damp with clean water and use straight-line strokes rather than circles to avoid redepositing particles. Replace the cloth or launder when you notice loss of absorbency or visible staining, since trapped grit will scratch surfaces over time. Store folded cloths in a clean container so each fold remains free from airborne dust between uses. A frequent mistake is using the same quadrant for different tasks, which transfers oils and leaves residues. Avoid this by consciously rotating to a new section after one pass. Another issue is overloading the cloth with cleaning solution, which reduces electrostatic pickup and causes streaks. Instead, lightly mist the cloth or apply solution to the surface and use the cloth damp. A third concern is improper laundering that leaves detergent buildup and reduces effectiveness. Wash in warm water with a small amount of liquid detergent, avoid fabric softeners and bleach, and air dry or tumble dry on low to preserve fiber loft. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find projects that match their skills. We also host a discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and post real experiences related to cleaning, repairs, and home improvement.